Are you wondering which tool is better for your team? Today, we are comparing Notion and Monday.com. Both tools help you organize projects and improve teamwork. They aim to make your work life easier, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Notion. It's a versatile workspace. You can create notes, databases, and even wikis. It's great for personal use or small teams. You can customize it to fit your needs. The flexibility is one of its biggest strength. Now, let's look at Monday.com. This tool focuses on project management. It uses boards to track tasks and progress. It's designed for teams that need clear visibility on their projects. The interface is colorful and user friendly, making it easy to see what everyone is working on. So, what sets them apart? Notion is more about flexibility and customization. You can build your own systems. Monday.com, on the other hand, is more structured. It provides templates and workflows to help teams stay organized. When it comes to features, Notion offers rich text editing, databases, and collaboration tools. You can create anything from simple notes to complex project plans. Monday.com shines with its automation features. It helps you automate repetitive tasks, saving time for your team. In terms of pricing, Notion tends to be more affordable for individuals and small teams. Monday.com can be pricier but offers more robust project management features. So, which one should you choose? If you want a flexible tool for personal use or small teams, go with Notion. If you need a strong project management tool for larger teams, Monday.com is the better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.